Hi everyone, welcome to today's creation. I'm Caven. Let's get started and see how this was made. Here are the colours that I'm going to be using in today's pour. They're all from the Eraldo di Paolo range of paints, which I buy from Riot stores online. Now into all of my paints, I've added about a teaspoon of this Holcroft Professional Gel Medium Gloss. I've also added a couple of drops of OGX Coconut Milk Serum into each of the colours. My pouring medium today, homemade, 50% PVA, 25% water, 25% Floetrol. The consistency of the paint today is like the proverbial warm honey. It's not leaving too much of a mound or a trace. I've already prepared my paper today. It's synthetic paper made by the paper mill and also bought from Riot. It works beautifully for alcohol ink and for acrylic paint. It has a lovely smooth finish to it. It's 200 GSM and size A3, and it takes and holds paint beautifully. So today I am going to be doing a flip cup, so all of these lovely colours in here are ready to go. This is the exciting part, when you get to see what your colours are going to look like. So let's flip. Don't be scared. 1, 2, 3. You can see already some of these lovely cells forming. I'm going to leave it just for a couple of minutes, just to let all the paint kind of mix together and come down through. Now it's time for the big reveal. Here we go. Lots of blue. I did have 2 blues, so that's to be expected. I can see the green light colour coming through here quite strongly. These are strange blobby little cells in the middle here. Just going to put some in the corners, and I am going to spread some around to help it slide. Now rather than lose the edges from it rolling over, I think I will actually put a little bit of colour around the background as well. I might use up this lime green colour. Time to tilt. So let's bring it down this way a little bit first. As always, once you've tilted in one direction, try to bring your paint back to the centre. Try to keep the weight of your paint in the middle. Plenty of paint, and it's all flowing beautifully. And back into the middle. This is my gas torch. I think I just bought it from Bunnings. Just slowly moving the torch over the surface of the painting. I'm going to let this painting dry now, and I'll bring you back for the dry results. And here they are, the dried results. You can also see that I managed to pull some nice skins off the sides, which I'll probably use in a collage or some mixed media or something later. Now I think I'm going to do some embellishment on this one, because I might have said during the pour that it's reminding me a little bit of an underwater scene. So I'm going to have a little bit of a think about this one and bring you back when I'm ready to embellish. Can you guess where I'm going with this? I'm going to use these Deco Art metallic paint to paint the body of the serpent in first of all. I'm also going to try some of this gold pearl pigment to see if it gives it a little bit of extra sheen. I'm going to use these little sponges to apply the paint. I decided to add some of this green in as well. I'm going to start adding some depth now using some shadows. Hopefully it will start to look a little bit more realistic.